Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to create and edit a size chart with unit conversion using the MP Size Chart app. Method 1. Add unit conversion. When creating a new chart, first, go to the MP Size Chart app. In Manage Charts, click Create Chart. Select a template by clicking View Details, then Add to Chart. Now, scroll down to the Chart Template section. Here, enable the Convert Unit toggle to let shoppers switch between measurement systems. Next, open the Base Unit dropdown to choose your default measurement unit. You can select from 5 available options. For example, if you choose inch as your, it will automatically convert the measurements to centimeters. Or if you choose kilogram as your base unit, the converted unit will be pound. Move to the right preview panel and switch to centimeters to see how the chart looks in metric units. Then, click inch to check how it appears in imperial units. Use the desktop view icon to preview how the chart displays on larger screens. You can also switch between the centimeter and inch tabs in the preview modal to review both formats easily. Once everything looks good, close the preview window and click Save to store all your changes. Method 2. Add unit conversion to an existing size chart. If you already have a published or draft chart, go back to Manage Charts. Click the edit icon next to the chart you want to update. Find the Convert Unit block and toggle it on. Then, choose your preferred base unit from the drop-down list and perform the same steps as in Option 1. Preview both metric and imperial views, review your setup, and adjust if needed. Finally, click Save to apply your update, and that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize unit conversion in your size charts with MP Size Chart. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.